Hello everyone. Today's topic is a string. Uh, String is the most important data type and non-primitive data type of Java. String basically a sequence of character which is used to store the sequence of character in a string. For example, we create a string by using a literal and using new keywords. Tree is a one type of class also. uh, when we create an object of that string using a new keyword, then it's stored in heap memory and string constant pool also. For example, we create a string, for example xyz, using a string literal string s is equal to xyz, then it's stored in string constant pool. And when we create object of string class, then it's stored into string heap memory and string constant pool also. It's created by using, for example, string, then the name of that object equal to new string. We can create it in also. But when creating a string, uh, in string constant pool cannot store a repeated string. For example, we create a one string with the name of Pooja and second string with the name for s2. S2 is an object name. S2 is also store a string Pooja. Then new object will not created for s2. S2 is point to s1's string Puja. S2 is also point to that Puja. If we made any change in S1, then it reflect to S2 also. So that there is a concept of immutable. In Java does not allow to update a string once it created. So that if we update any string, then it reflect to the other object in a string, or a reference variable are also affected. For that, we use a concept of string buffer and string reader, string builder and string buffer in our program. When there is a need to uh, update the string, once we create a string and then there is a need to that string must be a change, then we use a string pool, string buffer and string builder, so that or we made a changes in our string, and for that we don't need to create the another string in string. If we try to change any string, then the string is not changed, the other object will be created for that. To avoid this, string constant pool and string buffer are used. String is basically used when there is a need to store a number of character. Basically, string is also used for some security measures. For example, password, store a password. For that, string is used. And string is not a data type in Java. String is basically a non-primitive data type in Java, like uh, array and all. For example, uh, string, if we declare a string, then string has many methods, right? It's suppose we create a array of string in Java. We store a number of string in a single object, perform many operation on the string. For example, we concat a string using a plus keyword. There is a concat method are available to concat a string. If we need to check the equality of two strings, then we have to use a equal method. S1, for example, we have two string S1 and S2, then S1 dot equal to S2, then it show true or false. For example, we have a string, and if we need to know the length of that string, then length method is used to measure the string length. String are mostly used, and many operations are performed in string, usually in Java. Thank you.